Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Technically, you may be able to drive with a bad IAC, but you should not continue doing so. A bad IAC can potentially lead to stalling, which can compromise vehicle safety. Plus, you won't pass the state emissions test if the check engine light is on due to a bad IAC. 10 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The typical consumer car will idle somewhere in the range of 500–1,000 RPM, depending on the vehicle. It might also start at a higher RPM, by 100 to 300 RPM, before dropping down to its normal operating speed. Consult your owner's manual to find your specific car's normal speed. 4 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
The replacement cost of an idle control valve is anywhere from $120 to $500. The cost of the parts alone will be between $70 and $400 plus, depending on the make and model of your vehicle. The labor cost should only be around $50 to $100 because it doesn't take that long to remove and replace the old idle control valve.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Reset the IAC valve pintle position by performing the following. Depress the accelerator pedal slightly. Start the engine and run for 5 seconds. Turn the ignition switch to the off position for 10 seconds. Restart the engine and check for proper idle operation. 26 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Look at your dashboard. If the check engine light is on in conjunction with idle issues, it may be because the idle control valve is malfunctioning. The check engine light looks like a simple drawing of an engine. A check engine light in conjunction with idle issues can be indicative of a faulty idle control valve.
Let's help you make your mark.
When the engine is cold, the IAC valve helps to get it started. If it breaks down on you or starts to malfunction, then you are going to have to get it replaced. The cost of that, on average, will be between $115 and $500. You will likely pay about $70 for labor and anywhere from $45 to just over $400 for parts.
Let's help you make your mark.
The cause is often a problem in the idle air control system. The first thing to check is the intake vacuum with a vacuum gauge. An EGR valve that is leaking can also act like a vacuum leak and cause a random misfire. Likewise, people ask, how do I reset my idle air control valve? The 29th of June 2020.
Take our lead.
One common problem is a buildup of carbon or fuel varnish deposits in the idle speed control valve. The cure for this condition is to clean the valve, with some aerosol throttle cleaner or engine top cleaner. Follow these common instructions. Disconnect the air intake ductwork from the throttle body. 12 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cleaning an idle air control valve can keep you from buying a new part, but only certain idle air control valves can be cleaned. The idle air control valve must have a spring-operated valve for cleaning to make it work.
Let's help you make your mark.
In most cases, a bad IAC valve will not cause overheating. Many new car models have cooling fans that are electric and will run whenever the ignition is on. Even in cars with the older style fan belts that are run off the engine, it is unlikely. Temperature sensors will trigger the check engine light to be illuminated.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.